Ryan.
Alright, so this is a special with my friend Archie. We're in call right now, but thank God whenever we speak, it goes into us. So, yeah, me and my friend Archie are going to be playing real VR fishing for a special.
Say hi.
Yeah, say hi.
Hi, guys. Going for a special, and what we're doing today
This is my friend
is on the
Archie.
fish to try catch.
Yeah, this is my friend Archie, not one.
And every time we catch a fish that the other person is catching, we have to try catch. We switch fish.
No, we're not, bro.
I thought that's what you said we was doing.
Guys, you just come from me, guys.
He said it, not me. Well, I did say it, but he also said it.
He is completely right.
I'm really sniping all that stuff.
Matt, get round here, bro, wait, bro, wait until
Oh, you know,
Archie, you're my...
please salt water. I can't really kick him right now. We're just gonna have to let him fish for a bit.
Oh, bro, my cast is so good, Archie. Go.
Oh my God, Ryan, it's so good.
Now that's the best
I want it to be a catfish.
I might buy a crank. What war are you using? What war are you using?
Minnow.
A minnow?
Yeah. The best minnow though.
Minnow big?
Good. Why am I
Minnow
so
egg.
far? Oh, you're the freaking water. Never mind. I feel bad for you.
Hey, bro, a second person in. Don't
Yo,
say...
let's kick one of them, and when they question it, let's kick him.
Who, me?
Hey, go.
Kick this kid. I feel like an Easter egg.
Oh, it's a brown trout, you cunt.
Can we go to the beach?
Say I kicked him.
Can we go to the beach, please?
Say I.
I kicked him then. Oh yeah, and also we're not going to the beach.
Why?
Because I said so, and also you're Asian.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Man who lived essentially trapped inside his own body for about a decade of his life. He could see and hear everything around him, but he couldn't talk.
To look at Martin Pistorius now, you'd never know what he's been through. He was a healthy 12-year-old growing up in South Africa when he went home sick from school one day.
He never ever got better.
His body weakened, he lost control of his muscles, stopped communicating. Doctors believed it was a neurodegenerative disease, and told his parents he was unaware of the world around him. But that was wrong. For nearly a decade, he says he was awake, but no one noticed.
For so many years I was like a ghost. It was like I wasn't there. I was invisible.
I said to him one day, I hope you die. And I had no idea that he understood. I'm very, very sorry, I said.
Another brown trout. What the hell? Why the brown trout? Ryan, did you know brown?
Who lived essentially trapped inside his own body for about a decade of his life. He could see and hear everything around him, but he couldn't talk.
To look at Martin Pistorius now, you'd never know what he's been through. He was a healthy 12-year-old growing up in South Africa when he went home sick from school one day.
He never ever got better.
His body weakened, he lost control of his muscles, stopped communicating. Doctors believed it was a neurodegenerative disease.